I always wondered what happens at the DIY marketing conference. And now I'm able to see how people have come together to not only learn from those who have done it before them, but to really come away with takeaways that they can then do in their own destinations.
We're calling it DIY, which is do it yourself. There's just no part of digital marketing that you actually do alone in a silo. It is best done with a community, with almost family around you that can share ideas, perspectives, test things out, and discover what potential and opportunity you have for the future.
We're all learning from one another. We've picked up so many different great insights and tools from one another, resources, and apply it to real life, tangible ways that we can help grow and market the communities within the destinations that we serve.